No need to visit a branch. Depositing a check with the Bank of America mobile app is fast, secure, and can be done anytime, anywhere. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open your Bank of America mobile app and tap the menu icon. Select Deposit Checks. Choose the account you want to deposit into, checking or savings. Enter the check amount, then use your phone's camera to take clear photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll get a confirmation, and funds are typically available by the next business day, with some available immediately. My crucial pro tip? Endorse with "for mobile deposit only at Bank of America." On the back of the check, sign your name and directly below write this phrase. This protects you if the check is lost. Also, ensure the check is on a dark, non-reflective surface with good lighting for the clearest photos. Turn your smartphone into a portable ATM. How has mobile check deposit changed your banking habits? For more quick banking tech guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.